Myanmar, Bhutan, Myanmar. Ichaisa Yukta Met Kulda Mit Daloda International Play School. Today, welcome to our lesson here. Today my topic is countries and capitals. Asia is the biggest continent in the world. India, New Delhi, China, Beijing, Japan, Tokyo, Sri Lanka, Colombo, Maldives, Malay, Nepal, Kathmandu, Bhutan, Thimphu, Bangladesh, Dhaka, Pakistan, Islamabad, Afghanistan, Kabul, Thailand, Bangkok, Taiwan, Taipei City, South Korea, Seoul, North Korea, Pyongyang, Philippines, Manila, Turkey, Ankara, Iran, Iraq, Baghdad, Iran, Tehran, Saudi Arabia, Riyadh, Mongolia, Ulaanbaatar. Thank you.